You can use your PlayStation Portal to game on your PS5 away from home, like when you're on a remote trip, but only if you do everything right. So in this simple step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation Portal from anywhere to your PS5. In order to connect your PS Portal to your PS5 anytime, first you'll need to open Settings on your PS5 console. Then head to System, go all the way down to Power Saving, select Features available in rest mode, then turn on Stay Connected to the Internet, and also enable turning on PS5 from network. After that, to be able to connect your PS Portal to your PS5 remotely, you'll need to put your PS5 into rest mode. Because if you turn off your PS5 completely, then you won't be able to wake it up using your PS Portal. After that, you can grab your PS Portal from anywhere and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network, which you can do by tapping on this setting option. Then go to Settings, Network, and set up internet connection. After connecting to a Wi-Fi, just press Connect, and in a moment you'll get connected to your PS5 remotely from anywhere and you can start gaming. And that's all. Before you go, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more PS Portal, and I'll see you around.